Here's one of my favorite principles: compound learning. What does that mean? Well, the idea comes from compound interest, which you may have heard of. The idea of compound interest is that, well, if we had an initial investment of $100, and that is, we have an interest rate of 3%, that is compounded monthly. You can imagine putting $100 into your bank account, and that bank account gives you 3% interest rate for keeping your money there. Well, in 60 years, that money is going to be, well, $600. 6 times more than it was originally. But the idea of compound learning, if we go back to it, really leverages the fact that learning occurs every day in our life. That is, we want to shift our focus from just cramming as much information as we want in a huge full day learning session into just small little chunks. The idea is to make small changes every single day. For example, if we use working out and physical fitness as an example, you don't necessarily want to once a week go all out for 5 hours, run and exercise and stay in the gym for 5 hours for just one day, versus just spending 20 minutes each day. The idea of compound learning is actually really nice because it means that you don't have to dedicate a whole lot of time to learning a topic and just erase everything else from your life and just struggle and be in pain as you learn 12 hours a day. No, instead, every single day, try to do small little things. Because as Alan Weiss says, if you improve by 1% a day, in 70 days, you're actually twice as good, according to compound learning. And trust me, the math works out on this. So lucky for you, you don't have to shut yourself in a room for an entire month and just learn a topic 12 hours a day and just kill yourself doing it. No, instead, all you have to do is be persistent and each day do little bit by little bit. And spending just 20 minutes each day on focused learning, what that means is that each week you'll have 2 hours of knowledge that you develop. And that over a lifetime is always going to beat out anybody that just spends 1 week on an intense session and then gets tired out, burns out, and never continues. Remember, we're in this for the long run. These small changes that we make each day have compounding effects later on in our lives.